Hi everyone, I received 3 boxes here. Of course, one came yesterday and 2 came today. And of course, it's like I cannot have, how can I explain? I cannot get enough of Monet's product. So I've been buying, like, getting a lot of different things. And not only for me, either for me or for my daughter or for the little ones. Let's see what I got in this one. This one I got split ends Mender with, of course, Rejuva beads by Monet. So I got 2 of those for my daughter, of course. I got it for her because she has split ends. So I got it for her actually. This is a sample they sent me. Advanced Hydrating Conditioner. The Lash and Brow Enhancing Serum. I'm gonna try this. These are Immune Support Vitamin Mineral Adaptogen Blend 30 Vegan Capsule. You could probably see the pills there, and they do look kind of big. Not so big, but big. Let me see. Oh man, I was trying to see if y'all can see that. But yeah, I got 2 of those. I also got this. Skin Revitalize and Enhance. I'm gonna try this also. Oh, and I believe this is a scrub. Berry Refined Scrub. I got 2 of them, one for me and one for my daughter. So see, I got another one. I'm gonna try that one. I haven't tried those yet. Which one did? Which from here I tried? No, I haven't tried none of those yet. And this one is. Let's see what I got on this one. This one came with a bag. The other one didn't. I guess because everything didn't fit in the bag. So beats me. Let's see what I got here. I got Restore Leave-In Conditioner for dry, medium to thick hair. I believe I got this for, wait a minute, who did I get this for? For damaged, brittle, overpressed hair. You can read it, if anything. I think I got that for my daughter. I don't, you know what? No, for the little one. Because I got her gentle shampoo. She already used this, and this works really good. And these are samples. These are samples, and it also comes with one of these little pump for you can just use it if you want, if you decide you want to use this, or just use it like this. Okay, so it doesn't, it makes no difference if you want to use the little pump one or that. So yeah, I got those products. I'm gonna leave my daughter's information in case y'all want to get a hold of her, and here's another package. Come on, freaking box, stay still. Let's see what else I got in this one. Oh, this one. Yeah, that one came with a bag too. This one comes with, what's this one came with? This one, oh, this for me. A serum. Where's the damn MONAT? C Radiance. Illuminating serum. So that one came with this package here. I have another one for my little one, because, you know, gotta make sure I have it. This is a 30-second miracle instant eye perfector. Okay. I opened this part, I believe. I just, like, you know, cut it. I wanted to know what the heck it was, but it was total greens. Didn't realize that. Greens and fruits superfood mix. So that's what this is. And it says it comes with 6-pack. So that's how they look, okay? It comes out like that. So you can use that as your, you know, put in the blender and use it. What else did I don't know. Did I read this one? Oh no, I already read that one. And this one is Voluminizing Revitalize conditioner for fine and flat hair. That's what this is. And this one is, yeah, for fine and flat lamp hair. That's what this one is for. Okay. So this one came with that. That's what came in this box. And of course, what came in the other box. You already seen what came in the other boxes. That came with that box. And you already see what this one came with. But I'm going to leave my daughter's information like that, you know. Y'all can try these products out. But you could contact my daughter. Because if you do that, instead of just buying it from the company, you'll be getting, at least you'll get, like if something costed whatever, you know, let's say something costed $50, you know, if you're buying it from their company, you know. But if you buy it from my daughter, then it's going to be less than $50. That's the only thing that I know. I can't remember the prices because, you know, I don't remember things like that. I'll be forgetting. Maybe I should show. Oh, I should show my. No, let this one be MONAT, you know, video. And I'll write the information in the bottom for you to contact my daughter. And hey, I can't get enough of it, you know. That's so I ordered it. What could you do? I'm still waiting for 2 more packages to come. So, bye everyone.